Travis with Boss Tables here, explaining the durability and differences in construction compared to our models. What this guy is a Pro, so our WHC and our Pro are constructed with, and our MVP as well, is a 4x4 boxed, fully welded frame. Everything on the chassis is completely welded. Essentially, you know, these machines are rated up to about 1.5 inches of plate. They do very well. We've never had anybody break a machine ever. The only problems that we've ever had are people hitting the motors with, let's say, a forklift. But we have a nice steel constructed weldment here that goes onto an aluminum bridge. This is an ideal machine for sheet metal processing and or light plate work, and essentially this table is constructed in this manner to maintain a very, very quick, nimble machine that will essentially cut with very intricate, fast movements compared to our HD model and our HD Elite. So we talked a little bit about the WHC, the Pro, and the differences in the water tank with that versus the MVP. So this guy is an HD Elite. This guy has a steel welded bridge and machined bearing lands, both on the X and the Y axis. This is a big industrial machine. This guy will be actually getting a 5 horsepower drill. That is one of the main reasons why you'd want a bridge like this, so you can actually, the drill that we're putting on will actually exert about 1,500 pounds of down pressure. So nice heavy bridge for that. It also does better for multiple oxy-fuel heads, multiple plasma heads, that kind of thing. Just dealing with the amount of heat. Now, the amount of heat with our Pro, WHC, and MVP is not near as great, even with a single oxy-fuel torch, via that we have 10 inches of room under the bridge. It's not, heat is not so much an issue on that, but this guy, if you had 4 or 5 torches daisy chained together, cutting 3-inch plate, the plate alone will put off a lot of heat. So also too, with multiple torches, heavy plate cutting, you want more water. So the construction of this table actually has 10 inches of water and 12 inches of storage underneath. And in the bed we use slag trays because the amount of physical material that's going to get displaced into them trays from cutting is quite great. You actually remove a lot more material when you're cutting with oxy-fuel as well. It's a very, very wide kerf. So essentially we have a deeper table, a lot heavier construction, a lot heavier frame. We don't have under storage on this guy to help disperse the weight. Then this machine is actually an 8x24.